Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can skew your image easily in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. This is the Canva PC version, desktop version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. So here we go. In order to start, you can click apps, click design essentials, scroll down, then try to find skew image with the candy icon. To image your image easily, you can adjust the tilt angle of your image in Canva, both horizontally and vertically. You can click use in new design, or you can click use in existing design if you already create a project. Here we go. So you can try to adjust the horizontal skew, squeeze, or vertical skew. If you're done, we can click add design. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so, below. See you in the next video.